Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, aDudemanbro, and I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I hope your weekend has been amazing, and you are so psyched for the stock market to open up tomorrow, because I sure as heck am. I'm ready to make that money back that I lost last week, and I'm pretty sure all you guys are too. If you're able to make it out of the stock market pretty decent last week without too much of a hurt, good for you. Awesome. I thought that a lot of things were on sale, and so I took a few positions at the very low, which ended up going even lower, which I think that's pretty much a lot of you all probably thought that too, but I thought a lot of things were on sale, and I was super happy about some of my picks. So this is going to be a video about 4 tech/gaming stocks that I think that are going to be blown up in the near future. These are ones that I have actually covered in the past too, that I am just super bullish on, that I kind of just wanted to bring a video out because I think that these are definitely being noticed as much, and mostly the bios and the crypto and cannabis are being talked about a lot. But I think that you should be putting these on your radar. These are all mid/blue chip stocks, so they are definitely ones that are not penny stocks, and some of them are kind of expensive, but I think that they are definitely a very good pickup right now. So without further ado, I'm going to bring you this. Okay, so the first one is NVDA, NVDA stock ticker. And if any of you gamers out there have been looking for a graphics card on any website, you know the struggle. I've been looking for a new graphics card for a while now, and it's been weeks, and I have not been able to pick up one. And if you check out eBay and the secondhand market, they're being scalped and being sold at a crazy price. One big reason I just love it is just because it's been beaten down so much. At its highest, it was almost $620, and that's almost $70. That's about $70 from where it's at now, and I think that this one is going to be seeing some crazy good gains. I'm going to bring up a few things about it here. The ownership is about almost 4%. That's not huge, but still definitely worth noticing. But the institutions, though, I do want to bring up 121%. There's been a lot of ads. Like, just look at all of these ads that have been in the last couple days / months. I mean, 2 million, 253,000, 6 million. I mean, there's been some huge ads, and I think that when institutions are buying up a stock like crazy and you can't get a hold of their product, even though they are releasing products like crazy, and there's a silicone shortage also with everything going on, and these graphics cards are just so hard to find. I think that that's going to make profits for NVIDIA is going to be outrageous, and I am very excited about this stock, and I'm going to be adding to my position. I think that this is a long-term position, if not 3 to 5 months. I see it easily going over $650, $700, I think, in the near future. I just think it's an amazing pickup, and that's why I'm very bullish on it. They've been doing a lot of other great things too. So much cash on hand too, and their balance sheet is looking amazing. Even though the chart's not looking too great, but with the stock market, how it's been in the last couple of weeks. Last 2 weeks have been kind of rough for a lot of people, and I think that that's why it's shown this. I would suggest that you put it on your watch list and see how we go into next week, and this could be a possible reversal with a huge amount of gains going up. They do have a dividend too, so that's also a really great reason to own this stock and to hold on to it. So next one I want to talk about is AMD, and this is competitor to NVIDIA. Chart's looking a little bit better than NVIDIA, and this one is under $100 and is actually gone up to over $100. I see this one easily going $150 to $200, like I said, in the same amount of time as NVIDIA. 5 to 6 months, I think that this one is going to be a contender, and it's going to be almost maybe half the price of what NVIDIA is right now. If we could just bring up a few things about AMD, insiders own about 24%, and that's almost at 25% of the whole float. On top of that, institutions, they're buying them up like crazy, 103%. I mean, and just look at these buys, 15 million, 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, 12 million. I mean, a lot of buys that have been going into this in the last couple of weeks, and I think that is going to be amazing for this stock, especially since it's beat down right now. $84, $85. If this gets beaten down anymore, I'm going to be entering a huge position in this. With everything going on, their cards are the same as NVIDIA. They're probably not as liked, or people don't like them as much as NVIDIA, but they're definitely their graphics cards are being sold out in seconds. Also, like I said, the same thesis as NVIDIA. There's a silicone shortage, and silicone is used for a lot of different things, including also renewable energy and solar panels. And so that is why I'm very bullish on this stock too. I think it's going to be a 5 to 6 month hold, like I said, and you can easily see maybe not double, but you can get 50% of your money back. If not, this should be hitting $100 by 4 or 5 months from now. So it should be a decent and a very, I think, safe bet for both of these. I think these companies are seeing nothing but great. Next one I want to say is Best Buy. And Best Buy seen a huge drop off from $120. It's went down $20 at least, if not more. First of all, insiders own about almost 12%, 13% of the float in total. Institutions, 112%. That is pretty outrageously crazy. And if you look at what's going on here, look at these buys, same thing as NVIDIA. And on top of that too, Best Buy just had a record year of sales. There's so many people that are buying from Best Buy. I mean, just look at their numbers from the last quarter and everything, and I see that they are going to be seeing some huge growth. They are laying off a lot of employees, so that's actually keeping their costs down a lot too. I don't know how they're necessarily laying off a lot of employees if they're making they're making a lot of money, record sales and everything. But I think a lot of it's online, and they don't necessarily need as many staff when everything is online. But there's been some amazing drops. Everyone's trying to get the graphics cards and PS5, Xbox, all those things are dropping, and there's a lot of people who are waiting for the stimulus too, and we could possibly see a huge gain once the stimulus drops too, because people are going to have extra income. Anyone that doesn't need that extra $1,400, I think, are going to possibly be buying themselves something from Best Buy. It seems like it's one of the biggest retailers that people are just going and buying up a crazy amount of stuff from. Like I said, this huge drop, I think that this could possibly be a dead cat bounce, which is basically when it drops out and then it will have a reversal back. We have to wait for the stock market to open up. But I think $100, the entry right now, is an amazing pick right now. Like I said, I think we can easily see a $20 to $40 plus within the near future. And I do want to say that all 4 of these stocks are a mid to long hold. I think that they are very good for anyone's portfolio, and you're going to see nothing but gains with these for the next few months. If they do drop, I would suggest that you definitely average down. But like I say in my videos, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my picks that I am going to be looking at, and based off of just everything that I said earlier, these are reasons why I think that this stock is going to go up crazy. The shortages of everything going on too, and them cutting costs, I think that they are going to see another amazing year of sales. So next one I want to talk about is Nintendo. Nintendo I brought up multiple times in multiple videos, but they just announced some awesome news. They have the 25th anniversary of the trading card game coming out, plus they have remakes of 2 of their games, Diamond and Pearl, that are coming out. On top of that too, we have institutions that are holding, just look at all these buys from institutions. It's been some amazing one. On top of that, ARK has been buying up Nintendo for a while, and they had a record year last year because of the Switch. And I think with the 25th anniversary of the trading card game and the Diamond and Pearl remakes, I think that we're going to see a heck of a buying spree for Nintendo products. And then on top of that, one more thing I do want to say is the short ratio, 45%. This could be a possible short squeeze. That's a pretty good amount. 45% of Nintendo's shorted. That's a pretty huge amount. How many institutions have been buying this like crazy? I think that this one is going to see a huge upswing here going into the next couple of months, basically. They have multiple catalysts that are coming up. Nintendo, I think, is an amazing company. I'm a gamer. For anybody that didn't know, you guys can probably tell by, the backdrop right now of what's in the background. And I'm a huge Nintendo nerd and, Pokemon nerd also. I love that type of stuff. And like I said, they normally do amazing things. Their stuff is in high demand, and normally people buy the crap out of it and they scalp it. So I think that all this stuff going up, I think that we're going to see an amazing next couple of months for all 4 of these stocks, I think. And if you're a gamer, trying to get any of these products, you know, try to keep a good mind, kind of keep a positive. You'll get a card if you want a card, and I'm going to be probably buying this Pokemon remake and playing the crap out of it because, you know, I haven't played a really good video game in a while, and I'm very interested in it. So, but that's the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. You know, I covered these stocks a little bit more into detail in a couple of my other videos, so that's why I didn't go into huge detail, and I like to use this channel as kind of a learning. I don't like to necessarily tell you guys exactly what to buy, when to buy it, when to sell. I want this to be a learning channel where you guys learn with me and we all get better together. Like I said, that I don't think that you should get into a stock without doing your own due diligence and know why you're buying the stock, know why you should sell the stock, know what indicators that you are looking for, volume, oversold, overbought. Those are very good things, and you should definitely check out all that learning. And if you would like to check out any of my other videos, I cover that stuff a little bit here and there in a few videos. So if you like this video and you learned something, or if you like any of these stocks that I covered, please leave it in the comments below. I love to, you know, communicate with you guys. I know I've been slacking the last 2 weeks, and I'm very sorry about that, but things have been crazy for me, and to keep up with the amount of stuff that's going on, I kind of had to be, you know, a little bit more into my job instead of, you know, stocks, which I'm trying to work on some big things going forward. And I've said that the last 2 or 3 videos. I am going to be dropping some great news soon, and I hope you guys are ready for that. But anyway, if you'd like to check me out on any social media, I have my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon in the description below. I also have my referral links for both Robinhood and Webull, are 2 platforms that I like to use. So if you'd like to get a free stock and you'd like to support the channel and I get a free stock too, please check out those referral links in the description below. Also, I just added one new one, Coinbase. It is a crypto wallet if you like to store any cryptocurrencies online. I think it's an amazing platform that's very easy to use. Plus, they have a few different things that they have going for them. If you use my referral link and you buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency, you will get $10 in free Bitcoin. They also have a few quizzes that you can check out and answer questions where you can get up to, I think, $45 to $50 in free cryptocurrency. The last thing I want to say about that, though, too, is they also have a few coins that you can reinvest your money by staking it, loaning it out, basically. You can earn anywhere between 5 to 2% on your investment APR per year. So I mean, I think that that's an amazing thing. That's kind of what I'm doing since I have cryptocurrency that's just sitting there. I like to you know, loan it out and, you know, just make some extra awesome passive income, because I think that that's what we need to really focus on, you know, with everything that's going on with Rona and the situation that a lot of people are in. You know, my heart goes out to all of you guys that are dealing with some really bad situations, but I think that this is showing the whole United States and actually the world why passive income and reinvestments and, you know, just making more than your 9 to 5 is very important to have a security blanket and to be able to come out of this, you know, unscathed and to learn from some bad things that happen. So, but anyway, I like to leave my videos by saying I want you to be humble but never satisfied. Basically, I just want you to keep your head on your shoulders and, you know, don't get overconfident, but at the same time, don't just stop at, you know, 50%, 100%. Keep on getting those gains. Keep on learning. Keep on building towards something huge, because I don't think that you're ever done as an investor. I think that you can always learn something new. You can always make your system better. And I want you to think and know that no matter what anyone says, I don't care who they are. I don't care if it's your brother, your mother, your whoever the heck it is. You could do anything that you put your mind to. And most of the time when people tell you that you can't do something, they're scared to do their own thing. And I want you to just smile and maybe even thank them once you do it. Say, hey, thank you for giving me that extra push, because you telling me I couldn't do it just made me want to push and go further with it. So, and that's all basically. I want you to stay classy, everybody, and I think that we're gonna kill it next week. And leave some love in the comments below, like I said, what you think about these stocks and maybe some other stocks that you would like me to check out. But that's the video, and peace out. Talk to you later.